to arrive. Among the inmates, Monty himself and Boise, a neurodivergent girl that Monty has to keep from hurting herself. After 3 years on the ship, Boise is angry because the crew has finally realized they are never coming back, and Dibs knew it yet kept it from them. Dibs is the ship's doctor, and she is the head of the experiment, which allows her to use the others as guinea pigs. Dibs' goal is to create a child in space through artificial insemination, but so far it has not worked. Boise tries to make Dibs understand that nothing grows inside them, but Dibs does not listen, especially when inmate Electra manages to get pregnant, although she is going through constant pain. Pilot Nansen expresses her worries too, because even if a baby does manage to be born, they will just die from radiation, but Dibs is nothing but persistent and keeps on collecting the male inmate's seed. Intimacy among the inmates is forbidden, but the ship is equipped with the box, a room with a machine that helps the crew have fun on their own. Dibs likes using the box as well, but Monty, after a few uses of his own, chooses to stay celibate. He rejects all of Dibs' advances and complains about the sedative she keeps giving everyone before bedtime, but at least Dibs' fondness for him allows him to keep his fluids to himself. Monty's only real friend among the crew is Cherney, and together they like working in the ship's garden while discussing various philosophical topics. It helps Monty stay sane, unlike their captain Chandra, who is slowly being taken over by stress. Dibs discovered he has bad genes, and soon they turns out to translate into leukemia invading his body. When the ship reaches the halfway point, which equals only 4 more years for reaching its destination, the crew has to start the deceleration maneuver so the ship would approach the closest black hole in their galaxy. Extracting the energy from the black hole is supposed to provide humanity with almost boundless resources, but by now, the crew knows better than to still believing the speech about being heroes that they were given when it all began. As time passes, the lack of intimacy starts to get on some of the inmates' nerves. Ittori keeps being a creep towards the girls and uses his hand while watching others. Chandra keeps making passes at Dibs, who plays with him before rejecting him. Since the boys use their hands so much,